Good afternoon, children. We will study the remaining part of our lesson. Now we will study about fine arts. We will learn or we will study about fine arts. About fine arts that we have to learn. Fine arts. During the time of Adil Shahs, how fine arts developed. During the time of or during the days of Adil Shahs, how fine arts developed. How different type of arts developed during the time of Adil Shahs that we have to think. Ibrahim. Ibrahim was a Sultan, Adil Shah Sultan. Ibrahim was also a famous artist. Ibrahim was also a famous artist, Ibrahim. There is no doubt that Ibrahim was a famous artist. Ibrahim. Ibrahim was a king or Ibrahim was a sultan. Ibrahim was sultan. During the time of Ibrahim, what happened? During the time of Ibrahim, what actually happened during the time of Ibrahim? Different form of arts began to develop. During the time of Ibrahim, Persian artists were there. During the time of Ibrahim, Persian artists were there. There was another specialty. Persian artists were there. Then they made the picture of flower, plants, animals. They made the picture of flower, plants and animals. That was specialty. They made the picture of flower, plants and animals. Where they made the picture, that we have to think. Where they actually made the picture. Where they made? Inside the palaces. In masjid, inside a palace, masjid, inside mosque also they made these pictures. That was a speciality of whom? This was a speciality of fine arts which developed during the time of whom? Fine art that developed during the time of Adil Shah Sultans. Again, I will tell you, children, once more or again I will tell you, fine arts. Ibrahim was a famous king of this dynasty. Ibrahim himself was a great artist. Ibrahim. Even though he was a famous king, he was a famous artist also, Ibrahim. Ibrahim was a famous artist also, Ibrahim. During the time of Ibrahim, so many Persian artists also came inside the kingdom. So many Persian artists also came inside the kingdom. So many Persian artists came. Then they made the picture of flower. They made the picture of plants. They made the picture of animals also. Where did they make this picture? Where did they made this picture. Inside palace, inside masjid, inside mosque, they made famous pictures. Then we have to learn about art and sculpture that developed during the time of. We have to study about art and sculpture that developed during the time of whom? Adil Shahs. See, art and sculpture. Art and sculpture that developed during the time of Adil Shah Sultans. What they did? They made so many forts. So many forts they made. Palaces they made. They made palaces. They made so many palaces also. They made tombs. Tombs. Masjid they made. Masjid they made. This was a speciality of Adil Shah Sultans. This was the real speciality of Adil Shah Sultans. They were expert in making so many buildings of their own. They are expert in making so many buildings of their own. In order to make buildings, sometimes they brought in order to make buildings. Sometimes they brought foreign artists also in order to make buildings. Sometimes they brought foreign artists also, foreign artists. They brought foreign artists also sometimes to make buildings. This was another case. That means inside the land of India, what was there? So many artists were there inside the land of India. Other than that one, what happened? Other than Indian artists, what they did? Other than Indian artists, they brought sometimes foreign artists also to make buildings inside the land of India. Inside the land of India they brought. Then Gagan Mahan. Gagan Mahan. Gagan Mahan was an important building which was made during the time of Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah made Gagan Mahan. It was the work of Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah brought so many artists from different parts of India to make or to construct Gagan Mahan. Gagan Mahan really shows the artistic abilities of Gagan Mahan really shows the artistic abilities of whom? people of India during the time of Adil Shah Sultans, Gagan Mahan. Inside the Gagan Mahan, what is sir? Inside the Gagan Mahan, so many descriptions are there. Excellent paintings are there. Inside the Gagan Mahan, excellent paintings are there. Excellent paintings are there. Excellent paintings are there. Inside the Gagan Mahan, excellent paintings are there. So, in order to understand the artistic abilities of, in order to know or in order to understand the artistic abilities of which one? Adil Shah Sultans. What is helpful? Which one is helpful? Gagan Mahan is helpful. Once more, I will repeat the same topic which I have written on the board. Development of art and sculpture during the time of Adil Shah Sultans. Adil Shah Sultans made so many fort, palaces and other buildings. They made so many fort, palaces and other buildings. They made a tomb. What is tomb? Smashana or Kabristan. Kabristan or Smashana of Sultans they made, and they decorated these buildings. They decorated these buildings. They made so many masjid also. So many masjid were made by them during this time. They made so many masjid of their own. They created or they made their masjid clear. They made or they created their masjid. They made so many masjid of their own. So, when we are watching these buildings, masjid, tomb, palaces, fort means kote, palaces means aramani, tomb means smashana, kabristan, masjid means the worshipping place of Muslims, that is masjid. Then what is that? They made Adil Shah Sultans. What did they do? Adil Shah Sultans made. So Adil Shah Sultans made so many buildings of their own. Adil Shah Sultans made so many buildings of their own. In order to make these buildings, what they did? In order to make these buildings, they utilized the help of whom? They utilized the help of Indian artists. Sometimes they brought whom? Sometimes they brought foreign artists also. Sometimes they brought out foreign artists also to make these buildings. One such building was Gagan Mahan. Gagan Mahan was such a building. Gagan Mahan. Then what was the Gagan Mahan was made Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Gagan Mahan is a decorated building. Gagan Mahan is a decorated building. Gagan Mahan. In order to understand the artistic abilities of Adil Shah Sultans, Gagan Mahan is the best example. Mektar Mahal is another building which was made during this time. Mektar Mahal was also made by Ibrahim Adil Shah. Mektar Mahal was made by Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah II. He only made this building. Mektar Mahal was really made by Ibrahim Adil Shah II. Then what is that? Just like Gagan Mahal, Mektar Mahal also shows the artistic abilities of Adil Shah Sultans. Then what is that? Adil Shah Sultans explained their artistic abilities why they made Mektar Mahal in the land of India. Then Jamia Masjid. Jamia Masjid was another building that was made during this time. Ali Adil Shah made this one. Ali Adil Shah made this building. Jamia Masjid was made by Ali Adil Shah. Jamia Masjid is considered as one of the biggest masjid in South India. Jamia Masjid is one of the biggest masjid in the land of South India. That is another specialty. Another one is this one. I will tell you once more, children. Art and sculpture that developed during the time of Adil Shah. Art and sculpture that developed during the time of Adil Shah Sultans. Mektar Mahal was another building that was made during the time of Ibrahim Adil Shah II. In order to know or in order to understand the artistic abilities of whom, in order to know or in order to understand the artistic abilities of Adil Shah Sultans, Mektar Mahal is the best example. For this one. Another building is known as Jamia Masjid is another building. It was made by Ali Adil Shah. Ali Adil Shah only made this building. Ali Adil Shah only made this building. And Jamia Masjid is known as, or Jamia Masjid is considered as one of the greatest masjid which is made in the land of South India. Jamia Masjid. It is one of the biggest or greatest masjid that is made in the land of South India. Jamia Masjid. Who made this one? Ali Adil Shah only made this building. Another building is known as Ibrahim Roja. Ibrahim Adil Shah only made this one. Ibrahim Adil Shah only made this one. Ibrahim Adil Shah only made this building. Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Roja shows. Ibrahim Roja shows the artistic abilities of Adil Shah Sultans. This is known as Taj Mahal of South India. This is known as Taj Mahal of Taj Mahal of South India. Taj Mahal. Where is Taj Mahal? I got told you several times. Actually, where is Taj Mahal? Or where Taj Mahal is there? I got told you several times. Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is in Agra, at the banks of river Yamuna, or on the banks of river Yamuna. Which one is there? Taj Mahal is there. On the banks of river Yamuna, Taj Mahal is there. Taj Mahal was made by Shah Jahan. Taj Mahal was made by Shah Jahan. On the banks of river Yamuna, Taj Mahal has been made. Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. Taj Mahal. So what is that? Taj Mahal is one of the wonders of the world. And Ibrahim Roja is known as Taj Mahal of South India. Ibrahim Roja is known as Taj Mahal of South India. Ibrahim Roja. It is known as Taj Mahal of South India. What is the meaning or what is speciality of South India? That I had told you several times. What is meant by South India? I told you that one several times. What is the meaning of South India? Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa. These 6 states are coming under the banner or under the heading of South India. So, Ibrahim Roja is the Taj Mahal of South India. That means, Ibrahim Roja is like what? Ibrahim Roja is like Taj Mahal. Ibrahim Roja is exactly like Taj Mahal. Ibrahim Roja is the Taj Mahal of South India. Ibrahim Roja. It is the Taj Mahal of South India. That much importance is there for Ibrahim Roja. So what I told her? Ibrahim Roja is another building that is made in the land of India. Ibrahim Roja. Ibrahim Roja was made by Ibrahim Adil Shah. Ibrahim Adil Shah only made Ibrahim Roja. If we are watching Ibrahim Roja, what is our? When we are watching Ibrahim Roja, we will be able to know the artistic abilities of Adil Shah Sultans. Ibrahim Roja is known as Taj Mahal of South India. Ibrahim Roja. Ibrahim Roja is known by the name which one? Ibrahim Roja is known as Taj Mahal of South India. Taj Mahal was made by Shah Jahan on the banks of river. Taj Mahal was made by Shah Jahan on the banks of river Yamuna, where it is situated in Agra. It is known as Ibrahim Roja is known as Taj Mahal of South India. What is the meaning of this one? South India means Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa. These 6 states are coming under the banner of South India. These 6 states are coming under the banner of South India. So, in South India, Ibrahim Raja is the biggest or the greatest building. Gold Gumbaz. Gold Gumbaz is the greatest contribution of Adil Shahi Sultans. Muhammad King, the King Muhammad, made this one during 1656 CE. During 1656 CE, King or Sultan Muhammad only made this building. Sultan Muhammad, he only made this building. Then this building is known as Whispering Gold Gumbaz. It is in Bijapur. It is in Bijapur or Vijayapura. Which one? Whispering Gold Gumbaz is in Vijayapur or Bijapur. Why it is known as Whispering Gold Gumbaz? That we have to think. If you are producing sound one time, it may be echoed 7 times. 7 times. So it is known as Whispering Gold Gumbaz. Then Barakaman. Badakaman. Badakaman is another building that was made over this time. It is also known as Barakaman also. It is known as Barakaman also. Barakaman also. Then what is that? Then Anand Mahal. Anand Mahal is another building that is made during this time. So what I told you, Gold Gumbaz is the greatest contribution of whom? Gold Gumbaz is the greatest contribution of Adil Shahi Sultans. Gold Gumbaz. Gold Gumbaz is the greatest contribution of Adil Shahi Sultans. Their contribution. Then, what is that? Sultan Muhammad made this one in the year 1656. Sultan Muhammad made this one. 1656 CE, Sultan Muhammad made this one. Then, this Gold Gumbaz is known as Whispering Gold Gumbaz. It is made in the land of Bijapur or Vijayapur. If you are producing one sound, it will be echoed 7 times. Badakaman, Barakaman, Anand Mahal, etc. were the other buildings which were made by Adil Shah Sultans. I think children, you are able to follow today's video. Now you turn on your mic. We will have a discussion.